I'm making one of Lou's famous pizzas. It's very simple. The dough is already pre-made, and now I'm getting ready to make one. Please watch this round one. See? Now remember, George, we need to cut when I say cut. Here is the famous pizza sauce. Ooh, oh God, it squirted on me. What happened?
Yummy.
I know, I'm going to have to put a little bit of this out. I usually do about 3 of these spoonfuls. Very tasty. Now I get my little cake spatula, because this is a handy little tool. And I just work it so. This spreads the sauce very evenly. Doesn't this look good, George?
Delish.
I know it. Now the next question is, what are we going to make? Sausage? Hamburger? What sounds good?
Dog biscuit pizza.
I don't think that'd be tasty. Only Miss Bella, you need to get a shot of Miss Bella. She would
Bella,
like a dog biscuit
would you
pizza.
like a dog biscuit
Somebody would
pizza?
like a dog biscuit pizza.
It's too dark. Sophie!